With our cream cheese and butter mixed together, our next step is going to be adding flour. We're going to want 1 cup of flour. You want to get your 1 cup measuring cup, and you're going to gently scoop the flour into the measuring cup. You don't want to pack it in, otherwise the pastry dough is going to be too dry and won't hold together properly. So just gently scoop it in and level it off. We're going to put it into the bowl, and when we first start mixing it, we're going to have it on a very low speed. That's to make sure that we don't get a big poof of flour flying up from it not mixing in with the butter and cream cheese. So we're going to start out slowly. And as we're doing this, if you are watching in your own mixer, you'll see it's starting to get almost a crumb-like texture. It's little lumps of the the flour and the butter and cream cheese mixing together. You're going to want to go past that so that everything is well combined. But first, we're going to scrape down the sides of the bowl to make sure that nothing is being left out. And then we're going to put it back on a higher speed. With the flour mixed into the butter and cream cheese, you can see it has a very sticky consistency, but everything is holding together, which is what we want.